ડીસા શહેર ઉત્તર પીઆઈ સામે સસ્પેન્ડના હુકમનો મામલો. પીઆઈ વીએમ ચૌધરીએ આર્મ એક્ટના આરોપીને કોર્ટ કમ્પાઉન્ડમાંથી ઝડપી પાડવાનો મામલો. આરોપીને કોર્ટ કમ્પાઉન્ડમાંથી પકડી જેલના હવાલે કરતા પીઆઈ સામે થઈ હતી ફરિયાદ. સેશન્સ જજે સસ્પેન્ડ કરવાના હુકમ સામે હાઈકોર્ટમાં અપીલ કરી હતી. નામદાર હાઈકોર્ટે સેશન્સ જજના હુકમ સામે સ્ટે આપ્યો. હાઈકોર્ટની અવલોકન. કોર્ટ કમ્પાઉન્ડમાંથી આરોપી ઝડપવો ગુનો નથી. આરોપી સામે અગાઉ 14 ગુના નોંધાયેલા છે. સેશન્સ જજની નામદાર હાઈકોર્ટે ટીકા કરી.
ઇન ધ કોર્ટ પ્રિમાઇસીસ ક્યાં રૂલ છે કે કોર્ટ પ્રિમાઇસીસ માટે કોર્ટમાંથી પરવાનગી લેવી પડે? Maybe that is a different thing and that is to be registered before the concerned JMFC.
I oblige my lords. I oblige with my understanding argument lords after section 192 lords. But what is happening hearing lords? While the argument of the bail hearing lords, the learned session just came to know that this is
લર્નેડ સેશન્સ જજને કેવો અધિકાર છે કે આવું બધું કોગ્નાઇઝન્સ લેવાનો અને ધેટ ટુ કોર્ટના કમ્પાઉન્ડમાંથી આરોપીને ન પકડી શકાય એવું ક્યાં કાયદામાં લખ્યું છે?
lords પકડી શકાય છે, પણ એમને પકડ્યો છે 1 વાગે અને અરેસ્ટ
That is a different cause. That is different court that he cannot take it. It is some other judge who can take it before whom the production is made.
Please, therefore he is directed to register the FIR. He is not convicted him guilty for that, my lords.
અરે ઇન્ક્વાયરી જ કેવી રીતે કરી શકે? It is without jurisdiction. What kind of this kind of the procedure are going on?
Please, I respect to submission that this issue was pointed out before him, my lords, and therefore he has done that.
How we can do it? There is some propriety in the jurisdictional aspects.
Please, my lords, I have gone through the judgment and in judgment several times it has been highlighted that the learned
And how we can take his become a judge of his own cause?
the my lords PI was asked to tender the apology.
Why he can? How he can? Is he holding any contempt power? It is only we holding the contempt power.
Please,
And any અધિકાર છે કોઈ contempt ના?
I bow down.
He has to, if it's a contemptuous proceeding, he has to make a reference to the court, this court. ક્યાંથી આ બધું આવી રીતના કેવી રીતના ચાલે? અને I have gone through the entire order.
Please,
મારા કોર્ટના કમ્પાઉન્ડમાંથી મારી પરવાનગી વગર કેમ ધરપકડ કરી? That has ignited him.
the applicant was there.
અને 197 ના proceedings ક્યાં જશે? What is this? What kind of the orders are passing by the? I can observe so many things against that judge
No, my lords,
right now.
I'm not arguing on behalf.
And in which way he has passed the order, I can understand and I can put it before the.
I'm just my lords. putting
What
it
kind of the
before my-
things is going on?
Why
He is a
just-
king of.
No, no, my lords.
He is a king of Disa.
It's not.
Then what?
I'm just highlighting.
Chalo,
some
no.
facts before my-
You have no locus to say anything.
Please.
ચાલો શું લખ્યું? શું છે આ બધું? Any other competent judge under section 192 of the CRPC once it is transferred? Also, session judge cannot take any cognizance until the matter is committed to him, except in provision of law whereby the provision provides to take the direct provides for the direct cognizance by the special judge or by the sessions judge. Also, in present case, it appears that the judge concerned decided his own course. And went to pass the order for registration of the FIR, even without following the procedure laid down in section 197 against the government officer. There appears to be a clear exit of the jurisdiction by the learned sessions, by the sessions judge, not learned even. The order which runs in pages and pages indicates that the concerned judge was personally grievance by the conduct of the prima facie indicates that the conduct of the opponent, the revisionist Mr. VM Chaudhary. Revision deserves consideration rule, interim relief in terms of para so and so. Till further. શું આ બધું શું ચાલે છે નીચેની કોર્ટોમાં?
I was just highlighting that.
I was also sessions judge.
Please, my lords.
અને કેટલા antecedent તમારી સામે રજીસ્ટર્ડ
I
છે?
will not face taken
કેટલા છે?
that, my lords.
કેટલા છે?
14. 12 or 13, but he is
Well,
not convicted
you-
in any.
Whether you are required me to say anything more?
But my lords, my respect to submission. is-
Whether you are required to say anything more?
No, I was just here to highlight the actual fact. I guess done this.
True actual fact, this is nothing else, is the fit case to place it before the honorable sir, honorable chief justice for taking administrative actions. શું આ બધું ચાલે છે?
I'm-
14 ગુનાનો આરોપીને કોર્ટમાંથી પકડ્યા એટલે જજ સાહેબને તકલીફ પડી ગઈ. In fact, 438 1B is permitting us to even,
If my lords.
All the accused in the court and can even keep him.
Eh?
My lords, it is said that arrest memo, public document, wrong information has been put, my lords.
એ પણ એને અધિકાર નથી કહેવાનો. ચીફ જ્યુડિશિયલ મેજિસ્ટ્રેટ પાસે મૂકવું પડે.
That, my lords, therefore I am submitting that why this issue was raised before this sessions court because.
It cannot be raised.
Therefore.
And at the time of the bail, it cannot be raised. At the time of production, it is to be raised.
Therefore, my lords, at the. para number-
Otherwise, private complaint કરવી પડે. હવે તમે મને કાયદો સમજાવવા માંગતા હો તો હું સમજુ.
I am just highlighting what had actually happened there, my lords. I had asked them.
તમને તકલીફ હોય તો તમે પ્રોડક્શન વખતે રેઝ કરો. તમને તકલીફ હોય છતાં પણ તમે ન કર્યું તો પ્રાઇવેટ કમ્પ્લેન ફાઇલ કરો. પણ બેલના ટાઈમે કોઈ કોગ્નાઇઝન્સ લેવાના અધિકાર નથી.
After deciding the bail application.
No has no right whatsoever. Under 439, 438, 437 ક્યાંય જ નહીં.
It is under 202 cognizance was.
કોઈ
taken
કોઈ જ
after-
લેવાનો અધિકાર નથી.
I bow down, my lords.
કોઈ જ લેવાનો અધિકાર નથી.
I bow down.
Learned advocate Mr. So and so instruction to appear on behalf of the respondent. Learned PP waives the service on behalf of the state. હું આ ગયા ગાંઠ છે બધા. હે?